Today I give you essay on rainy day. All of you know when rain comes we feel pleasure or good. So today in your experience I tell you what you write and how to you write the about rainy day. Rainy days are a welcome relief along after long hot summers, especially if it rains on unexpected days. It becomes much more exciting. It holds a special significance in our lives. A fresh afternoon shower soothes our soul and rekindles our enthusiasm. The small paper boats floating in the tacenda of memories, the raindrops resting on the trees and flowers, and the chirping of 1,000 unknown birds provide a surreal feeling to our minds. To children, rainy days are a sudden break from their busy schedules. They often leave their home works behind and run out to get drenched in the relentless rainfall. The sound of rain on tin roofs and the refreshing petrichor acts as a balm for our tired souls. Something is astonishing and beautiful in observing cats and dogs as they run inside sheds to shelter themselves from the torrential downpour. Rainy days are like recess between our exhausting routines. We are all creatures of Mother Nature, and it takes very little to bring out our anchoric selves. Rainy days are those rare times when we take our eyes off our phones and gadgets and experience nature in all its glory. Few people can resist running to their balcony to take in the smell of rain. It fills our mechanical hearts with a strange warmth. Rainy days mark the discovery of a new life. The trees look greener after the rain, and nature seems more diverse. The small raindrops on window panes and dandelions shine like pearls in the late sunlight. Rain comes with thunder and lightning. The grey clouds darken the usual azure palette and guard the sun. However, every dark cloud has a silver lining, and that renews our hope and inspires us. The thundering defends us, and we welcome the wrath of nature with outstretched arms. We marvel at the white cracks of lightning that splits the clouds. We are all left to wonder how mesmerizing nature is. Rainy days are perfect for introverts. They would cuddle up with blankets and a warm cup of coffee and their favorite book. They would plug in their earphones and listen to Coldplay. Now, rainy days are essential for humanity. Rain is the most crucial source of water and irrigation for most people in the villages. While we discuss rainy days, it is vital to realize that rainwater is the source of water for ponds, lakes, and swamps. So students, here we discuss about rainy days, how we feel when rain comes after the hot sun. So you have to write it in your notebook and try to understood it once again and learn it.